Hey everybody, welcome to today's video. I got my 2014 Wrangler, and what we're gonna do today is gonna install a rear shelf system that I picked up off Amazon. It's in the box out there, and getting this thing ready for some backcountry use. And I need to set it up. Gotta make sure, yeah. So basically, this shelf system is gonna fit across the back here because I still got my cooler to fit in here. I got an air compressor I still got to fit in, and I don't want to have a whole bunch of wasted space. So we're going to put this rack system in, and we're gonna see how it's gonna look. Right. Let's get this thing out of the box. Look at all the parts, see if there's any instructions. All right, bag of fasteners. Even though it doesn't come with any instructions, it doesn't look like you can screw it up because you see the opening right here. That actually fits around there, and then you got three here, two of them for the bolt holes. This piece right here is for that rivet looking thing on both sides. So now we're going to remove the bolts and install this piece right here. Carefully slip this in behind. I'm gonna snug them up, but I'm not gonna tighten them. Same thing on this side. So next step, we're gonna actually put the tray in. It does come with stainless hardware, which is nice. So it's gonna be a pretty simple install. Like I said, these gotta be loose so you can slide them around. So this is where the fun is going to begin. Is trying to get the tray aligned and put in. One hand up, throw one washer, nylock, grab another setup. Rear shelving units put in. Just gonna tighten it up, and you're gonna start with doing the ends first and then tightening up the middle. By tightening up the ends, it will take out any play and also possibly raise it up a little bit. Okay, socket stood on there. Yeah, get off All right, last piece is to tighten all these up. All right, so there we have it, the shelves installed. Now the thing is, I gotta try it out, see how it's gonna work, because having like an actual shelf system where you can put stuff in would be ideal. However, I need to be able to transfer things from that Jeep to this Jeep when I'm out. And the Jeep TJ has very limited space, so I'm very simplified, and everything in the TJ I definitely could fit underneath. But now I got some extra shelving for some stuff, but we're definitely gonna have to try this out in the future. But if you're looking at a shelf like this is off Amazon, very cheap. I think like $100 and some Canadian, very affordable. So if you guys have any questions or comments, post them below. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.